December 24, 2019 was the day when Union Cabinet of India headed by Prime Minister took a decision of restructuring Indian Railways, where existing 8 Group A services were merged together and Indian Railway Management Services was formed. The idea was to do away with the departmentalism, have increased functioning, effective functioning, smooth functioning, increase coherence, increase rational decision making, and eventually better services to people in terms of passenger trains, in terms of freight trains. But what has happened since 2019, still 2020 gone, 2021 is almost on the verge of we are entering the second half, and yet there is no clarity with respect to the recruitment process. Many a student are losing hope, especially in the time of pandemic, unprecedented situations, number of students, number of candidates who had great hopes with respect to having a good career, their opportunities are diminishing. Or for me, I would say what could be more valuable than an opportunity lost. And by not providing those candidates an opportunity to have a good career, we are doing one big error. And this error needs to be rectified as soon as possible before it could be too late. And that's why my humble request to Honorable Prime Minister of India, to respected Railway Minister of India, to take a note of this situation and please, as soon as possible, give the people, give the candidates, give the students the opportunity they deserve. Give them an opportunity to prepare for an examination where they can have a career for themselves. And most importantly, examinations like engineering services or railway management services, they not only given an opportunity, but they act as an inspiration for those students, whereby when they prepare for those examinations, they acquire the skill, they acquire the tendency to work hard, which not only would be helpful in one recruitment process, but they also deliver into the various other opportunities. It's like we go for Olympics, we go for the Grand Slams and the tennis and other such kind of a tournaments where everybody may not be able to win, but they prepare. And when they prepare, they're able to deliver at the various other places. So my humble request again to the Prime Minister of India, to Honorable Railway Minister of India, please, especially in those unprecedented time when we shall become the helping hand to the student, at least we shall not be taking the opportunities away from those students. So please try and take note of this and have the IRMS notification released as soon as possible, so that the student can have their preparation on track, especially in this pandemic, and otherwise also we need to be of a great help to those students. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.